We'll guide you through how to make Audacity audio sound professional and better. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Audacity. And so what I want to do is go and make this mic sound professional and overall just improve the audio we've got recorded here, because we can actually go make it sound way better. So as you probably can see, I make a lot of YouTube videos, and this is exactly how I go make my audio go and sound way better. So we're going to go and guide you through these steps, exactly what you need to do. So make sure to this full video and not skip any part, as there are different steps you need to go and do in order to go and achieve the best result. So what we're going to do here is first of all go and play back this example bit of audio I've got here, because then what we can do is go and compare it at the end and we'll go and show you the improvement. So what I'm going to do is go and play it back now. Here is an example audio recording we're going to go and improve and make sound better. So let's go and guide you through these steps. So you can go and hear how it currently sounds, and you can then listen at the end and you're going to go and hear that it sounds way better. So let's go and dive straight into this. So ideally what you want to do is go and have some blank space, or just space in your recording where you're not speaking and it's just capturing the background environment. You don't have to do this. I don't always do it, but it can be worth doing if you have a loud fan or you just got a lot of background noise. Then what you want to do is go and select it. Ideally have it around 5 seconds, and then click, hold and drag like so with your cursor, and it's now highlighted. Go to the top and you want to go and press Effect. Go down and find Noise Removal and Repair and press Noise Reduction. Press Get Noise Profile. Now you want to go and click just to deselect it and press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select it all, or you can double click, then press Effect. Go down and find Noise Removal and Repair, and you want to press Noise Reduction. You want to set this to Noise Reduction 12, Sensitivity 6, and you can then select Frequency Noising Bands and make this 3, and you want to press OK. We've now done that. Next, you want to go to the top and you want to press Effect, go down and hover over EQ and Filters, and you want to press Filter Curve EQ. Press Presets and Settings in the top left and hover over Factory Settings, and you can select Bass Boost. Press Apply in the top right. Press Effect at the top. Go down, hover over EQ and Filters and press Filter Curve EQ. Press Presets and Settings in the top left, hover over Factory Settings, and you want to go and select Treble Boost like so, then press Apply in the top right. Press Effect again at the top, hover over EQ and Filters and press Filter Curve EQ again, then press Presets and Settings, hover over Factory Settings and press Low Roll Off for Speech and press Apply. We've now finished in that section, and what we now need to do is go and press Effect at the top, go down and find Volume and Compression, and you need to go and find Compressor. And then what you want to do is set the threshold to -12, noise floor -40, ratio 2:1, attack time 0.2, release time can be 1. Then you can press Apply in the top right, and that's it. So now these are the settings I go and use. I'll now go and play it back and you can hear the improvement. Here is an example audio recording we're going to go and improve and make sound better. So let's go and guide you through these steps. That's it. Hope for now your audio is much better.